Good morning, guys. The city of Kotor is hustling and bustling today, let me tell you. Gasoline is 1.35 euros a liter. Holy moly artichoke. We are about to climb that tower. Woo! All right, we have a small setback. I was told that it was free to climb the damn hill, but it's apparently €8. It's not about what stops you. It's about what are these roadblocks. How you gonna get around these roadblocks? How you gonna push through these roadblocks? Let's go. All right, just getting back to the apartment. Unlock, euro. There we go, and we're off. Just outside the castle gates, we got the Sound of Commerce going. All the vendors getting ready for the day, trying to make the sale. Every single day, they come out here and work, just like you should. Yes, I made it.
Very good.
10 euros, 2 euros change. Oh, cool, a token.
Ah, cool. There you go.
Thank you. And so, look guys, we're official. Time to go. So now we're getting into the more fun part of this little hike, Let's see what we get. Woo. Fumble Rooskies, guys. This hike's a wee bit more than we bargained for, huh? But I think we're almost there.
Yes. Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Nina.
And where are you from, Nina?
Serbia, Belgrade.
Serbia. Me and Nina made a pinky promise that she would go to the top, and here she. Nina here is scared of heights, and I'm scared of heights also.
Yes.
But she just told me, what's your plan before you go down?
To drink one beer. Just